Please try this exciting recipe. That's perfect for both veggie lovers and those looking for a healthier snack option. Well, it's nothing but air fryer mixed veg kofta. Let's prepare this. Set for 15 minutes at 200 degrees C. After 7 minutes, apply oil. After 5 minutes, flip it. Once ready, you can serve this as pakora with chutney. Let's prepare kofta. Then add these spices. Cook for 6 minutes until oil is released. Once it boils, then switch off the flame. Then add air fryer pakora. Cover for 2 minutes. Delicious air fryer veg koftas curry are ready to be served. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking!